Ride day, let's go. Let's get in this thing, fire up, get her loaded up, hit the trails. Scratch that. Let's build a new exhaust. What's up guys, welcome to today's video where we're going to be building our own DIY exhaust for the Rzr 900S. So I'm on my way over to Sam's right now. I got the exhaust rolling around in the trunk. As you could tell in those first couple clips, it doesn't sound great. I'll show you a little more in depth once we get over to Sam's kind of what happened, but it does tend to happen on all the Rzr 900s, at least those guys that drive them wide open like us. So if you like this kind of content, any fab work, or you like seeing guys send it on side-by-sides, be sure to hop over to the main channel and give us a subscribe, maybe a like on this video.
Oh,
this thing's crap, bro.
no.
She's junk. Look at her. She's toast.
Oh my god, yeah, look.
She's toast.
Right
OEM
through it.
exhaust, she blew apart.
Right through it.
That's,
Well,
that's what we get for running her wide open
they
everywhere
don't
we
like
go.
that. They don't like that. But these do. You can have them.
Oh. So we're making an exhaust.
I'd say we're gonna break in the new fab table.
We got the dualies, we got the brand new fab table built. This is the start of some serious fabrication on some serious titty tossers.
Yeah. So what we're gonna do first is get a couple different sizes here.
The dual output.
Yeah. So for mine, what I did is I.
Oh yeah, so one has been built.
So same thing.
There it is. Brownie points if you know what exhaust set's from.
Yeah. Starts with an F.
Starts with an F.
So what I did last time is I cut this part here, cut it out, and then we just use the stock, like basically mid pipe, and use it for our slip-on. And that way we don't have to fabricate anything too crazy.
Yeah, it'll just fit right on, and we got the right angle, and so it should fit in place.
And this goes in here probably about that far.
Okay.
So it gives you enough like meat to weld on. Okay. So the only difference is you got a twin.
Yeah, so we're gonna have to
So we're gonna go find some pipe, a Y pipe or something. Probably go to Canadian Tire, Princess Auto, and yeah, start fabbing.
Let's do it.
Let's go do it.
I'm here to get what I want. I'm not lost. I'm here to make it to the top. I'll take a shot. I'll overpower any boss. Cause I am not.
Did with mine, I just bought like it was like this, and then the outer diameter was like an 1/8 of a difference. But yours, we're doing 2, so we got to try and find some sort of either a pre-made, pre-fabbed Y, or a couple of pieces we can use to make one. So
yeah,
we're gonna go to Cracker Tire now.
Let's do it.
Let's go. I move quietly, like a shadow. There's a dark side to me. I work privately to go build and create my own dynasty.
So we got a plan.
We're gonna hack these guys, put them together like that,
Wire them up,
and then we're gonna get this little piece here. Basically slip it on over the end, like the end.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna mark that out and then cut these two.
Then we got a homemade Y.
And then we got a homemade Y pipe. And boom bang, we're gonna weld that on. And whole Y pipe, and this piece will be all one piece.
Perfect.
So it'll just be the slip-ons, then that. Weld a couple tabs on here to mount the springs back on, but
we good.
Sweet.
A new rivalry, it emerges ever so silently. But I got fight in me, so I'll squash anything that's trying me. I'm like, me versus you, I hope that you know what you're getting into. I got nothing to lose, so you better watch out, can't predict my moves. I'll make you irrelevant, I don't stop till I'm at the top settling. I live here like a local resident, and you know I ain't selling it. I won't stop. I'm here to get what I want. I'm not lost. I'm here to make it to the top. I'll take a shot.
Whoa, buddy.
Dude, how's that? That's pretty sick.
Oh man, that's way better than that.
So yeah, we just gotta weld up a couple more tabs here just so we can hook the springs to something to hold them on, and
Maybe put paint on it.
yeah, clean it up.
Yeah.
Clean it up, paint it up, and boom, there you go. She no bark.
What's that sound like without an exhaust on it?
It was so loud, dude.
It's bad. Probably not gonna be much different than that.
No. Well, if you just put without the cans on it, for sure, it'd be
Yeah.
pretty loud. I know when I blew the hole in mine, it was like really, really, really loud. It'll
Yeah.
probably sound just a little throatier than mine.
Yeah, the output's pretty big, but I guess the output's only as big as this
Yeah,
big,
which
right?
is pretty much as big as stock. Well, that is stock, that part of it. So
yeah, so that's like, you know.
we're doing good on. You just wouldn't want to go smaller than stock on the tube size.
I just want to get it painted and just put it on.
Yeah.
What do you think it sounds like?
Let's hear it.
All right.
Let's hear it. Oh yeah. Take it like for a rip around the neighborhood. She barks.
Guys, bright and early next day, we got our coffee here and we are going to meet Sam on the trail because we have an exhaust to test out. So I wasn't going to go out today, but I just couldn't say no after last night's test, and I really can't wait to get out. So with that, I want to thank you guys for watching. We really do appreciate you guys, and keep in mind we do have some merch available. You'll just have to hit us up on Instagram, Facebook, or email, whatever works best for you. So with that, I will catch you guys in the next one, and again, thanks a lot for joining us. Peace out.